Hello everyone, welcome to About Tech. Today we're excited to share an extraordinary event that touched hearts and ignited imaginations in Shenzhen, celebrating the 75th anniversary of China. This breathtaking drone show not only dazzled the eyes, but also set a new Guinness World Record for the largest drone display ever, creating a profound sense of unity and pride. In this unforgettable show,
this is 10,197 drones taking to the sky,
weaving vibrant shapes and patterns that seem to dance with life. It was more than just a technical achievement. It was a powerful celebration of Chinese culture and diversity. As the drones twinkled overhead, the audience was left in awe, their spirits lifted by the stunning visual symphony. The event showcased cutting-edge technologies like 3D mapping and precise control systems, illustrating how innovation can turn a simple idea into a magical reality. The level of synchronization and artistry on display was breathtaking, reminding us of the endless possibilities that lie ahead when creativity meets technology. Audience members described it as a life-changing experience, one that evoked deep emotions and pride. Many shared how they felt a sense of connection, as if they were part of something greater, a moment that would linger in their hearts long after the lights faded. Shenzhen's record-breaking event joins the ranks of other iconic drone shows. 1. Intel's 2018 Olympic Show. 1,218 drones lit up the Winter Olympics. 2nd Genesis 2020 in Shanghai. 3,281 drones celebrated a car launch. 3. St. Petersburg 2020. 2,198 drones illuminated the Russian skies. These records prove how drone technology keeps raising the bar for visual entertainment. Experts believe this spectacular drone show sets a new benchmark for future events. It opens the door to new creative avenues and possibilities, showing us that technology can bring us together in ways we've only begun to imagine. So, today we explored the magic of this incredible drone show in Shenzhen. If you found joy in this video, please subscribe to our channel About Tech for more inspiring stories and technological wonders. Thank you so much for joining us, and we can't wait to share more exciting content with you soon.